Thank you so much. Oh. You want me to help you?
No, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I just have to connect it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Of course. Just gotta keep falling.
How are we doing today?
Hello.
What can I get for you? I think you're the first person that came through on a bike.
Really?
Yeah. Perfect. Alright, then you also have a great day. Thank you so much.
You too.
Do you want a stopper?
Sorry, what?
A stopper?
Like a stick.
Oh yeah, please.
Did you want a straw too?
You have the cardboard
Yeah.
thing? Just so it doesn't fall.
Yeah.
Hope it doesn't fall.
Did you want a straw?
Yeah, please. Thank you so much. Oh, I knew it.
Let me get you that.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
Yeah.